Assessment question, if they ever ask you a question about assessment, it's something to this effect. Tell us how you would help students be successful on STAR. Remember we talked about the readiness standards? Powerful, if you were to answer it this way. Understanding that the TICs require me to be familiar with my readiness, supporting, and process standards. As a teacher, I will ensure that I'm a teacher within my lanes by making sure that I'm preparing lessons that are rigorous and relevant to my students. And in doing so, giving my students ample opportunities to think critically and also develop fluency so that they can complete the test within the 4-hour allotment time. Okay. Power, very powerful, right? How do you support the needs of the SPED and the LEP students? Differentiated instruction, understanding small group instruction, progress monitoring. What do you know about STAR? And then in this ones, this is where you plug in the information. Like if they were to ask me that question in there, how do you support the needs of special ed students and LEP students? As I was looking at your accountability ratings, I noticed that 60% of your LEP population was not successful and only 50% of your special education was able to be successful. Knowing that in mind, the way that I will support this as a classroom teacher is by making sure, that I am preparing lessons that are gonna scaffold their learning and their understanding. Making sure that I provide small group instruction and making sure that I have progress monitoring and running records for them to be tracked and reach that goal. See how you're bringing in the data into that? And then how can you support index 1, 2? That one is more for principals, the third one, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that one.